Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Not sure where this is coming from. We're about to find out. Hope everyone had a good day so far today. Everybody is safe. Staying home. It is first day of fall. This year needs to hurry up. And we're going to see what's in this box. I do believe this is a Kickstarter unboxing, so you guys could check out that link. Alright, where do I begin? Got some bubble wrap here. Cut. It's rolling. What is this? Oh. Nice job protecting. Alright, we got Toola glass foot file. Oh, okay. Step 1. Step 2. It says, get soft salon smooth feet at home. Just only several minutes. All calluses will be taken off. Alright. Step 2. Pedicure tool providing 2 types of scrubbers. Ooh. We got our own salon. Manis and patties. Yeah, buddy. See, I remember that stuff. Alright, we got how to use down here. Remove the dead skin, thick calluses by rubbing step 1 through the rough part. I don't think I have any. I'm old, but not that old, I guess. I'm always on my feet, though. Smooth out and soften up the skin by rubbing step 2. Rinse it under water and keep it clean. Precautions for use: keep away from children. Do not use for the other than intended purpose. Okay. Stop using when destroyed. Excessive use may damage the skin, so don't overdo it. Do it smooth, maybe one time, see how it works. Then do it again, a couple days later. And in case, you know how that goes. Baby steps. Take it slow. Alright. Nice little travel size. How do I... Ooh. Right there. See? Kind of rough. You can hear it. Step 1. I don't know if you guys can read that. It says step 1 right there. Step 2 right there. So just kind of go whoop, whoop. I think this is like the smoother end. Yeah, this is step 1 process to remove the calluses. Yeah, see it, step 1. Right there. Step. Come on. Step 2 right there. Okay, oh boy. Time to show off my feet. Give me 1 second. Alright, so step 1 is go... Kind of tickles. Just do it gently. And always rinse it off. There you go. It does work. Smoother. So check them out, guys. It is Toola. Kickstarter. Get these now before they sell out. Nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody. There's a lot of people that are on their feet. Athletes and sports entertainers. Anybody. So you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.